Don't miss out on new content. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. In this video, we will write code for tip calculator written in Python. Tip calculator code. First, we get the total bill amount from the user. Next, we ask for the tip percentage the user wants to give. We calculate the tip amount by multiplying the bill amount by the tip percentage as a decimal. The total amount to be paid is the sum of the bill and the tip. Now, we display the calculated tip and total amount in a readable way. Now run our code. Hey friends! I hope you're loving the coding tips and tricks so far. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Plus, it's the best way to stay updated with all things coding. Thanks for being part of the community. Let's keep learning together.